Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to buy Ton on TonKeeper wallet app. It's a very simple and easy process, so let's get started. First of all, on your phone, make sure you've already downloaded the TonKeeper app. If you haven't, you can easily download it from the App Store or Play Store. Once you download the app, launch the app on your phone. After you are in the app, make sure that you are logged in with your account. If you don't have any account, you can easily create a new one. Once you are logged in, you'll see this dashboard. Now, in order to buy Ton, here you can see the buy and sell option. Tap on it. Here you can see the buy Ton option. You can see various options through which you can buy Ton. Now select your preferred method. I will select MoonPay for now. Tap on Open MoonPay. Over here, you can mention the price that you want to spend to buy Ton. You can enter the amount over here. You can even change the currency from here. Right now, US dollar is selected. If you tap on it, you can choose your preferred currency. And right below that, you'll see the amount of Ton you will receive from the spending. Once you enter your desired amount, you can tap on this continue button. Next up, you need to enter your payment card details. You can enter your card number, your expiry date, and your CVC number. And once you fill up everything, you can tap on this continue button. And after verifying everything, you'll be able to buy Ton on this app. So that's it. That's how you can buy Ton on TonKeeper wallet app. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.